The topic of this session is system of linear equations, which is a continuation to the previous session of this same topic. System of linear equations. This is continue. In the last session, we studied how to solve a non-homogeneous system of linear equations. Here we do more examples. Example: solve system of linear equations x1 minus x2 is equal to 11, 4x1 plus 3x2 is equal to minus 5 by Gauss-Jordan elimination method. Solve this system using Gauss-Jordan elimination method. First, this system of linear equations can be written in matrix form as Ax is equal to B. A is equal to A is the coefficient matrix. 1 minus 1 4 3. X is the column matrix of the unknowns x1 x2. B is the constant matrix, that is 11 minus 5. Ax equal to B is the matrix form of this linear system. A is the coefficient matrix, X is the column matrix of unknowns, B is the constant matrix. Now augmented matrix AB, augmented matrix AB, this is equal to augmented matrix AB is we place the constant matrix to the right of the coefficient matrix A. There is 1 minus 1 4 3. Place the constant matrix B. There is 11 minus 5. Now we find the row reduced echelon form of this matrix. For that, first we have to make this element 1. Here, this element, the first non-zero element in the first row, that element is already 1. Now, so we have to make the remaining elements in that column 0. So make this element 4 0 using that one. For that, we have to do the elementary row operation. R2 goes into R2 minus 4R1. So this is equivalent to, we do this elementary row operation. This is 1 minus 1 11. Now 4 minus 4 into 1, R2 minus 4R1, 4 minus 4 into 1, 0. 3 minus 4 into minus 1, it is 7. minus 5 minus 4 into 11, minus 5 minus 44. Minus 5 minus 44 is minus 49. Now this is equivalent to, now we come to the second row, take the first non-zero element, make it 1. So we have to make this 7 1. So the row operation that we have to do is R2 goes into 1 by 7 R2. So is 0 1 minus 7. 1 minus 1 11. Now we have to make this minus 1 0. We have made this element 1, so we have to make the remaining elements in that column 0. We have to make this element minus 1 0. For that we have to do the elementary row operation. R1 goes into R1 plus R2. So this is 0 1 minus 7 minus 1 plus 1, it is 0. 11 plus minus 7, it is 4. So we have obtained the row reduced echelon form of the augmented matrix AB. This is equal to C D. Row reduced echelon form of the augmented matrix AB. Now rank of A is equal to, rank A is equal to, it is number of non-zero rows in C. This C is the row reduced echelon form of A. 1 0 0 1. This is C. So rank A is equal to number of non-zero rows in C. Number of non-zero rows in C. This is equal to 2. Rank AB is equal to, rank of this augmented matrix AB is equal to, so this CD is the row reduced echelon form of this augmented matrix AB. So number of non-zero rows in CD. So this is also is equal to 2. So rank A is equal to rank AB. If rank A is equal to rank AB, this system is consistent. System is consistent. That means this system has a solution. Rank A is equal to 2, rank AB is equal, rank A is equal to rank AB. Now here rank A is equal to, R is equal to rank A is equal to 2. This is same as N. N is number of unknowns. Here there are two unknowns in the equation, x1 and x2. So rank is equal to 2, N is equal to 2. Then if rank is equal to N, then system has a unique solution. So system has unique solution. System has exactly one solution. Now to find the solution, we have systems AX is equal to B and Cx is equal to D are equivalent. This CD is the row reduced echelon form of AB. So systems AX is equal to B and Cx is equal to D are equivalent. That means they have same solution. So to find a solution of AX equal to B, we have to solve Cx equal to D. Now Cx is equal to D implies Cx is equal to D implies C is 1 0 0 1. X is x1 x2. D is equal to 4 minus 7. So multiply this 1 0 0 1 into x1 matrix multiplication. This is 1 into x1 plus 0 into x2. So this is x1. 0 into x1 plus 1 into x2. x2 is equal to 4 minus 7. So this column matrix 4 minus 7 is solution of Cx equal to D. So that is solution of matrix equation Ax equal to B. So that is x1 is equal to 4, x2 is equal to minus 7 is solution of given linear system. x1 is equal to 4, x2 is equal to minus 7. നമുക്ക് തന്ന ഈ സിസ്റ്റത്തിൽ രണ്ട് ഇക്വേഷൻ കൊടുത്താലും രണ്ടിലും ഒരുമിച്ച് സാറ്റിസ്ഫൈ ചെയ്യും. So that is the solution of the given system of linear equation using Gauss-Jordan elimination. Next example, solve system of linear equations. x1 plus x3 minus x4 is equal to 1. 2x2 plus x3 plus x4 is equal to 3. x1 minus x2 plus x4 is equal to minus 1. x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 is equal to 2. Using Gauss-Jordan elimination. Using Gauss-Jordan. The given system of linear equations can be written in matrix form as Ax is equal to B. A is equal to the coefficient matrix. A is equal to, the coefficient matrix. So here first coefficient of x1 1, coefficient of x2 0, x3 1, minus 1. Here coefficient of the second equation, coefficient of x1 is 0, 0 2 1 1. In the third equation, coefficient of x3 is 0, 1 minus 1 0 1. In the fourth equation, all coefficients are 1, 1 1 1 1. This is the coefficient matrix. First column is coefficients of x1, second column is coefficient of x2, third is coefficient of x3, fourth column is coefficient of x4. X is the column matrix of unknowns. Here there are 4 unknowns, x1, x2, x3, x4. B is the constant matrix. It is 1 3 minus 1 2. Now augmented matrix AB. Augmented matrix AB. This is equal to place the constant matrix B to the right of A. 1 0 1 minus 1 0 2 1 1 1 minus 1 0 1 1 1 1 1. This constant matrix B is 1 3 minus 1 2. Now we find the row reduced echelon form of this augmented matrix AB. So this is equivalent to find the row reduced echelon form. First we make this element 1. Here it is already 1. So make other elements in that column zeros. So make this element 1 0. Make this element 1 0 using the first row. So the row operation that we have to do is R3 goes into R3 minus R1. R4 goes into R4 minus R1. 1 0 1 minus 1 1 0 2 1 1 3. R3 minus R1 0 minus 1 minus 0 0 minus 1 1 minus minus 1 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. R4 minus R1 1 minus 1 0 1 minus 0 1 1 minus 1 0 1 minus minus 1 2 2 minus 1. Now we come to the second row. Take the first non-zero element, make it 1. So this is the first non-zero element in the second row. This 2. So make this 2 1. For that we do the elementary row operation. R2 goes into 1 by 2 R2. So this is equivalent to 1 0 1 minus 1 1 0 1 by 2 0 1 1 by 2 1 by 2 3 by 2 0 minus 1 minus 1 2 minus 2 0 1 0 2 1. Now we made this element 1. So make other elements in that column zeros. So make the element minus 1 and this 1 zeros by elementary row operation. So we have to do row operations. R3 goes into R3 plus R2. R4 goes into R4 minus R2. So this is equivalent to 0 1 1 by 2 1 by 2 3 by 2 1 0 1 minus 1 1. It is minus 1 plus 1 0. R3 plus R2 minus 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 2 plus 1 by 2 5 by 2 minus 2 plus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. R4 minus R2 0 minus 1 minus 1 0 minus 1 by 2 2 minus 1 by 2 3 by 2 1 minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Now this is equivalent to, now we come to the third row, make the first non-zero element 1. So make this minus 1 by 2 1. For that we have to do row operation. R3 goes into minus 2 R3. It is 1 0 1 minus 1 1 0, 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 2. 0, 0, 1. Minus 2 or 3. Minus 2 into 5 by 2 is minus 5. This minus 2 into minus 1 by 2 is 1. 0, 0, minus 1 by 2, 3 by 2, minus 1 by 2. So we made this element 1. Now we have to make other elements in that column zeros using this one. So make this 1 0, this 1 by 2 0, this minus 1 by 2 0. So we have to do the row operations. R1 goes into R1 minus R3. R2 goes into R2 minus 1 by 2 R3. R4 goes into R4 plus 1 by 2 R3. So this is equivalent to this is R1 minus R3. It is 1 minus 1 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, minus 1 minus minus 5 is 4, 1 minus minus 1 is 0, R2 minus 1 by 2 R3. See 0, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into 1 0, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into minus 5, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. It is 3. This is 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into 1. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. 0, 0, 1 minus 5, 1. R4 goes into R4 plus 1 by 2 1 by 2 0 plus 0. So this is equal to 0, 0 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1. 0. 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into minus 5. 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2. It is minus 1. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1. 0. Now we come to the fourth row. Take the first non-zero element. So this is the first non-zero element. This minus 1. Make it 1. For that we have to do the row operation. R4 goes into minus R4. It is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. 0, 0, 1 minus 5, 1. 0, 1, 0, 3, 1. 1, 0, 0, 4, 0. This is equivalent to. Now we made this element 1. So make the other elements in that column zeros. So we have to make this 4 0, this 3 0, this 5 0 using this 1 in the fourth row. So R1 goes into R1 minus 4 R4. R2 goes into R2 minus 3 R4. R3 goes into R3 plus 5 R4. This is 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0. This is the row reduced echelon form of the augmented matrix AB. This is equal to CD. Now rank A is equal to, rank A is number of non-zero rows in C. This is the C part. Rank A is number of non-zero rows in C. It is equal to 4. Rank AB is equal to number of non-zeros in this whole matrix CD, it is equal to 4. So rank A is equal to 4 is equal to rank AB. If rank A is equal to rank AB, this non-homogeneous system is consistent. System is consistent. System has a solution. Now here R is equal to rank A is equal to 4 is equal to n. Here n is number of unknowns x1, x2, x3, x4. There are 4 unknowns. So rank A is same as number of unknowns. In that case, if rank A is equal to number of unknowns, system has a unique solution. So system has a unique solution. Now systems Ax equal to B and Cx equal to D are equivalent. Ax equal to B and Cx is equal to D are equivalent, means they have same solution. CD is obtained from AB by elementary row operations. Then these two systems are equivalent. That means they have same solution. So to find the solution of Ax equal to B, we find the solution of Cx equal to D. Cx is equal to D. So this implies now C is 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 into x is equal to x1, x2, x3, x4. This D is equal to 0 1 1 0. This part is C, this is D. Now multiply these two matrices, 1 into x1 plus 0 into x2 plus 0 into x3 plus 0 into x4. x1 0 into x1 plus 1 into x2 plus 0 into x3 plus 0 into x4. x2 similarly 0 into x1 plus 0 into x2 plus 1 into x3 plus 0 into x4. 0 into x1, 0 into x2, 0 into x3, 1 into x4. x4 this is equal to x1 x2, this is equal to 0 1 1 0. So this is the solution of the matrix equation Cx equal to D. So it is the solution of the matrix equation Ax equal to B. They are equivalent. So x1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 1, x3 is equal to 1, x4 is equal to 0. That is the solution of the given system of linear equations. So x1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 1, x3 is equal to 1, x4 is equal to 0 is solution of given system of linear equation. This solution is the unique solution of the given system of linear equations. x1 0, x2 1, x3 1, x4 0 കൊടുത്താൽ നമ്മൾ ആ സിസ്റ്റത്തിൽ 4 ഇക്വേഷനും ഒരുമിച്ച് satisfies all the 4 equations simultaneously. Another example, solve the system of linear equations x1 plus 2x2 minus 4x3 is equal to 9. 5x1 minus x2 plus 2x3 is equal to 1. Using Gauss-Jordan elimination. Gauss-Jordan elimination method. This is a non-homogeneous system. So this can be written in the matrix form as Ax is equal to B. A is equal to 1, 2 minus 4, 5 minus 1, 2. X is equal to column matrix of unknowns x1, x2, x3. B is equal to a constant matrix. It is 9, 1. Now augmented matrix AB. Augmented matrix AB. This is equal to 1, 2, minus 4, 9, 5, minus 1, 2, 1. Place the constant matrix B to the right of the coefficient matrix A. That is augmented matrix. Now we have to find the row reduced echelon form of this matrix. So for that, first we make this element 1. This is already 1. So the first non-zero element in the first row, it is 1. So we make the other elements in that column zeros. Make this 5 0. So we have to do the row operation. R2 goes into R2 minus 5R. So this is equivalent to 1, 2 minus 4, 9. 5 minus 5 into 1. Minus 1 minus 11. 2 is 22. 1 minus 45 is minus 44. 5 minus 5 into 1, minus 1 minus 5 into 2, 2 minus 5 into minus 4, 22, 1 minus 5 into 9 is minus 44. Now come to the second row, take the first non-zero element, make that element 1. So we have to make this element minus 11, 1. For that, we do the elementary row operation. R2 goes into minus 1 by 11 R2. So this is 0, 1, minus 2, 4. Divide the second row by minus 11. First row is 1, 2, minus 4, 9. Now we have made this element 1. So make the other element in that column zeros. So make this 2 0. R1 goes into R1 minus 2 R2. Make this element 2 1. It is 0 1 minus 2 4. 2 minus 2 into 1. Minus 4 minus 2 into minus, this is 0. 9 minus 2 into 4. This is 9 minus 8. Now this is the canonical form. This is the row reduced echelon form. This is also called canonical form of the augmented matrix AB. CD. So rank A is equal to number of non-zero rows in C. This is part of C. 1 0 0 0 1 minus 2. This is C. So number of non-zero rows in C. It is 2. Now rank AB is number of non-zero rows in CD. 1 0 0 1 0 1 minus 2 4. It is also 2. Rank AB. If rank A is equal to rank AB, this system is consistent. That is, system has a solution. System is consistent. System is consistent. Here R is equal to rank A is equal to 2. It is less than n is equal to 3. Here n is equal to 3. Here there are 3 unknowns, x1, x2, x3. 3 unknowns, rank A is equal to 2. So R less than n. So if R less than n, system has infinite solutions. If R is equal to n, system has a unique solution. If R less than n, here R less than n, so system has infinite solutions. System has infinite solutions. Now Ax equal to B and Cx equal to D are equivalent. Cx is equal to D are equivalent. That means they have same solutions. So Cx equal to D implies C is 1 0 0 0 1 minus 2 into x1 x2 x3. C is equal to D is equal to 1 4. D is equal to 1 4. Now multiply these two matrices. This is 1 into x1 plus 0 into x2 plus 0 into x3. This is x1. Now the second row is 0 into x1 plus 1 into x2 plus minus 2 into x. This is x2 minus 2x3. Matrix multiplication 1 into x1 plus 0 into x2 plus 0 into x3. x1 0 into x1 plus 1 into x2 plus minus 2 into x3. x2 minus 2, this is equal to 1 4. So x1 is equal to 1, x2 minus 2x3 is equal to 4. Now here n minus r is equal to, here r is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, n minus r is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So if r less than n, system has infinite solutions. In this case we choose n minus r parameters arbitrarily. Choose n minus r parameter or choose n minus r unknowns arbitrarily. So here we choose, here n minus r is equal to 1. So we choose one parameter or one unknown arbitrarily. So we put x3 is equal to t. We put x3 is equal to t. Here here x1 is equal to 1. It is fixed. So we put x3 is equal, then x2 is equal to, then x2 is 4 plus 2x3. From this x2 is equal to 4 plus 2x3. It is 4 plus 2t. So solution is, solution of given system is x1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 4 plus 2t, x3 is equal to t. T is arbitrary. T is any real number. So if we give t any real number, x1, x2, x3 satisfies each of the two equations in the given system. So this system has infinite solutions. x1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 4 plus 2t, x3 is equal to t, where t is any real number. If we give t any real number, then this x1, x2, x3 is a solution of the given linear system. Next example, solve the system of equations x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 3, x1 minus x2 minus x3 equal to minus 1, 3x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 5. Using Gauss-Jordan elimination. The given system is a non-homogeneous system. So it can be written in the matrix form as Ax is equal to B. A is equal to the coefficient matrix. It is 1, 1, 1. 1 minus 1 minus 1. 3, 1, 1. X is equal to x1, x2, x3. Column matrix of unknowns. B is equal to the constant column matrix 3 minus 1 5. Now augmented matrix AB is equal to 1 1 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 3 1 1 3 minus 1 5. Now we find the row reduced echelon form of this augmented matrix AB. So for that we take the first non-zero element in the first row. Here it is already 1. So we make the other elements in that column zeros. So we have to make this 1 0, this 3 0. R2 goes into R2 minus R1. R3 goes into R3 minus 3 R1. This is 1 1 1 3. R2 minus R1, 1 minus 1, minus 1 minus 1, minus 1 minus 1, minus 1 minus 3. R3 minus 3 R1, 3 minus 3 into 1. 1 minus 3 into 1, minus 2, 1 minus 3 into 1, minus 2, 5 minus 3 into 3, 5 minus 9, it is minus 4. Now we come to the second row, take the first non-zero element, here it is minus 2, make it 1. So we have to do the row operation, R2 goes into minus 1 by 2 R2. It is 0, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 3. 0, minus 2, minus 2, minus 4. Now this is equivalent to, now we have made this element 1. So make the other elements in that column zeros. We have to make this 1 0 and this minus 2 0. So we have to do the row operation. R1 goes into R1 minus R2. R3 goes into R3 plus 2R2. This is 0, 1, 1, 2. This is R1 minus R2, 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. This is R3 plus 2R2. Minus 2 plus 2 into 1. Minus 2 plus 2 into 1. Minus 4 plus 2 into. So all the elements in the third row are zeros. So this is, so we have obtained the row reduced echelon form. This is the row reduced echelon form of ABCD. Third row in 1 element ellam 0 ആയി. Now rank A is equal to it is number of non-zero rows in C. ഇതുവരെയാണ് സിയുടെ പാർട്ട്. 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 0. Number of non-zero rows കംപ്ലീറ്റ് സീറോ അല്ലാത്ത എത്ര റോകളുണ്ട്? 2. Rank AB is CD in the matrix CD, number of non-zero rows. It is also, there are 2 non-zero rows, rank AB. So if rank A is equal to rank AB, system is consistent. System has a solution. System is consistent. Now here R is equal to rank A is equal to 2 less than n is equal to 3. Here there are 3 unknowns. Here we have unknowns x1, x2, x3, 3 unknowns. So rank is equal to 2, n is equal to 3. Rank less than n. In that case, system has infinite solutions. System has infinite solutions. In the case R is equal to n, system has exactly one solution, unique solution. In the case R less than n, system has infinite solutions. So this system has infinite solutions. Now system Ax equal to B, Ax is equal to B is equivalent to Cx is equal to D. Ax equal to B and Cx equal to D have same solution. So to find the solution of Ax equal to B, we have to solve Cx equal to D. Cx is equal to D implies it is 1 0 0, it is 0 1 1. This is 0 0 0 into x1 x2 x3. This is equal to D is 1 2 0. This is CD. So this is Cx equal to D. Now multiply these two matrices. 1 into x1 plus 0 into x2 plus 0 into x3. x1 0 into x1 plus 1 into x2 plus 1 into x3. This is x2 plus x3. Here 0 into x1 plus 0 into x2 plus 0 into 0. This is equal to 1 2 0. So x1 is equal to 1. So x1 is equal to 1. x2 plus x3 is equal to 2. Now here n minus r is equal to we have n is equal to number of unknowns 3. R is equal to rank A. It is 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So if R less than n, we choose n minus r parameters arbitrarily. We can choose n minus r parameters arbitrarily. So here n minus r is equal to 1. So we can choose one parameter or one unknown arbitrarily. Here x1 is equal to 1. But x1 choose x1 value 1 put x3 is equal to t. We choose x3 equal to t. T is arbitrary, n real number. Then x2 is equal to x2 is 2 minus x3. This is equal to 2 minus t. So solution of given system is x1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 2 minus t, x3 is equal to t. Here t is any real number. T ki either real number koduthalum x1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 2 minus t, x3 is equal to t. That satisfies the three equations of the given system. Here we can choose t any real number, so system has infinitely many solutions. We can choose any real number. So this system has infinite solutions. But t 0 കൊടുക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ 1 2 0 that is solution. t 1 കൊടുക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ 1 1 1 that is the solution. t 2 കൊടുക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ 1 0 2 is the solution. Integers ആവുന്നത് we can give any real number. If we give any real number, then x1 x2 x3 these are solution of the given linear system. Next we consider solution of homogeneous system of equations. The general form of a linear system of homogeneous equations is a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus etc. a1n xn equal to 0. a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus etc. a2n xn is equal to 0, etc. am1 x1 plus am2 x2 plus amn xn is equal to 0. This is system of m homogeneous equations in n unknowns. So a homogeneous system is always consistent, because if we give x1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 0, etc., xn is equal to 0, then this satisfies all these m equations. x1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 0, xn equal to 0. So this satisfies all these m equations. So a homogeneous system is always consistent. This solution is called trivial solution. This solution is called the trivial solution. Now this homogeneous system can be written in the matrix form as Ax is equal to 0. A is the coefficient matrix, A11, A12, etc. A1n, A21, A22, etc. A2n, etc. Am1, Am2, etc. Amn. Now we find the row reduced echelon form of this augmented matrix A0. We find the row reduced echelon form of this augmented matrix A0. Suppose it is C0. Then rank A is equal to number of non-zero rows in C. So if rank A equal to n, if rank A is equal to n is number of unknowns, then this homogeneous system has only the trivial solution. Rank A equal to n in the case, n is number of unknowns, then this homogeneous system has only the trivial solution. Trivial solution. If rank A is equal to R, it is less than n, then this homogeneous system has infinitely many solutions. That means this homogeneous system has also non-trivial solutions. Complete zero allatha solution non-trivial solution ennu parayam. Rank less than n വരുന്ന കേസിൽ system has infinitely many solutions. In that case, like non-homogeneous system, we choose n minus r parameters, arbitrarily. If r less than n, choose n minus r unknowns or parameters arbitrarily. In that case, system has infinite solutions, and to find a solution of this system, we solve Cx is equal to 0. Solve Cx is equal to 0. C is canonical form of, C is the row reduced echelon form of A. And that solution is the solution of this given homogeneous system. Example, solve the system of equations x1 plus x2 plus 2x3 is equal to 0. Minus x1 plus 2x2 plus 4x3 is equal to 0. Minus x1 plus 3x3 is equal to 0. Using Gauss-Jordan elimination. Using Gauss-Jordan elimination. Here the system is homogeneous because all the constants are zeros. This is 0, this is 0, this is 0. So the given system is a homogeneous system. So it can be written in matrix form as Ax is equal to 0. Ax is equal to 0. A is the coefficient matrix. A is 1, 1, 2. Minus 1, 2, 4. Here minus 1, 0, 3. In the third equation, coefficient of x2 is 0. X is the column matrix of unknowns. x1, x2, x3. And this 0 is the 0 column matrix. 0, 0, 0. Now the augmented matrix A0. Augmented matrix A0 is equal to 1, 1, 2, minus 1, 2, 4, minus 1, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0. We find the row reduced echelon form of this augmented matrix. For that, we take the first row, take the first non-zero element. Here it is 1. Here it is already 1. First non-zero element in the first row. So make the other elements in that column zeros. So we have to make this minus 1 0, this minus 1 0 using this one. So we have to do row operations. R2 goes into R2 plus R1. R3 goes into R3 plus R1. 1, 1, 2, 0. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. 2 plus 1, 3. 4 plus 2, 6. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. 1. 3 plus 2, 5. 0. This is equivalent to. Now next we come to the second row. Take the first non-zero element, make it 1. Here the element is 3. Make it 1. So we have to do row operation. R2 goes into 1 by 3 R2. It is 0, 1, 2, 0. Divide second row by 3. 1, 1, 2, 0. 0, 1, 5, 0. So this is equivalent to. Now we made this element 1. So we have to make the other elements in that column zeros. Make this one 0, this one 0. So R1 goes into R1 minus R2. R3 goes into R3 minus R2. It is 0, 1, 2, 0. R1 minus R2, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 2 minus 2, 0, 0, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 5 minus 2, 3, 0. Now we come to the third row. Take the first non-zero element. Here the element is 3. Make it 1. So we have to do the row operation. R3 goes into R3 goes into 1 by 3 R3. So this is equivalent to 0, 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 2, 0. 1, 0, 0, 0. Now this is equivalent. Now we made this element 1. So make the other elements in that column 0. Make this 2 0. So we have to do R2 goes into R2 minus 2 R3. 0, 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0, 0. So this is the row reduced echelon form of the augmented matrix A0. So rank A is equal to number of non-zero rows in C. So this is equal to, so this is C, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So there are 3 non-zero rows. So rank A is equal to 3. Now R is equal to, rank A is equal to 3 is equal to n. Here n is number of unknowns. There are 3 unknowns in the system x1, x2, x3. So R is equal to n. So if R is equal to n, then the system has only the trivial solution. So if R is equal to n, system has only trivial solution. System has only trivial solution. Solution is x1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 0, x3 is equal to 0. So this is the solution of this. Ax equal to 0 and row reduced echelon form Cx, this C is 0. Cx equal to 0 solve with we get x1 is equal to 0, x2 equal to 0, x3 equal to 0. If rank is equal to n, then the homogeneous system has only trivial solution. The only solution is x1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 0, x3 is equal to 0. Next example, solve system of linear equations. x1 plus 2x2 plus x4 is equal to 0. 4x1 plus 9x2 plus x3 plus 12x4 is equal to 0. 3x1 plus 9x2 plus 6x3 plus 21x raised to 4 is equal to 0. x1 plus 3x2 plus x3 plus 9x4 is equal to 0 using Gauss-Jordan elimination. So this given system is a homogeneous system because all the constants are zeros. It is 0, 0, 0, 0. It is a homogeneous system. So it can be written in matrix form as Ax is equal to 0. A is the coefficient matrix. It is 1, 2, 0, 1, 4, 9, 1, 12, 3, 9, 6, 21, 1, 3, 1, 9, 1, 2, 0, 1. The first equation coefficient of x3 is 0. 4, 9, 1, 12, 3, 9, 6, 21, 1, 3, 1. X is the column matrix of unknowns. X is x1, x2, x3, x4. And this 0 is the 0 matrix. 0, 0, 0, 0. Now, augmented matrix A0. Augmented matrix A0 is equal to 1, 2, 0, 1, 0, 4, 9, 1, 12, 0, 3, 9, 6, 21, 0, 1, 3, 1, 9, 0. This is augmented matrix A. Now we have to find the row reduced echelon form of this matrix. So we have to make this 4 0, this 3 0, this 1 0. R2 goes into R2 minus 4R1, R3 goes into R3 minus 3R1, R4 goes into R4 minus R1. 1, 2, 0, 1, 0. This R2 minus 4R1. 9 minus 4 into 1 minus 12 minus 8. 0. 3 minus 3 into 1. 9 minus 6, 3. 6. 21 minus 3, 18. 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. 1. 9 minus 1, 8. 0. Now this is equivalent to, now we come to second row, take the first non-zero which is already 1, make the other elements in that column zeros. R1 goes into R1 minus 2R2. R3 goes into R3 minus 3R2. R4 goes into R4 minus R2. 0, 1, 1, 8, 0. 1. 1 minus 2 into 0. 2 minus 2 into 1. 0 minus 2 into minus 2. 1 minus 2 into 8. It is minus 15. It is 0. 0. 3 minus 3 into 1. 6 minus 3. 18 minus 3 into 8. 18 minus 20, 24. Minus 6. 0. 1 minus 1. 0. 1 minus 1. 0. 8 minus 8. 0. Now we come to the third row, make the first non-zero element 1. So R3 goes into 1 by 3 R3. So this is equivalent to 0, 0, 1 minus 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. It is 0, 1, 1, 8, 0. 1, 0, minus 2, minus 15, 0. Now this is equivalent to, now we have to make this minus 2, 0, this 1, 0. R1 goes into R1 plus 2 R3, R2 goes into R2 minus R3. So it is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 minus 2, 0, 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 8 minus minus 2, 10, 0. R1 goes into R1 plus 2 R3, 1, 0, minus 2 plus 2 into 1, minus 15 plus 2 into minus 2, it is minus 19, C 0. So this is the canonical form of augmented matrix A0. Now rank A is equal to number of non-zero rows in C. CC 1 0 0 minus 19, 0 1 0 10, 0 0 1 minus 2, 0 0 CC. So number of non-zero rows. Here there are 3 non-zero rows. Now R is equal to rank A is equal to, it is 3. It is less than n is equal to 4. Here there are 4 unknowns, x1, x2, x3, x4. Rank is equal to 3, n is equal to 4. So rank less than n. In that case, system has infinite solutions. In that case, system has infinite. If R less than n, system has infinite solution. If R is equal to n, system has only trivial solution. Here R less than n, system has infinite solutions. Now system AX is equal to 0 and CX is equal to 0. These are equivalent. AX is equal to 0 is equivalent to CX is equal to 0. CX is equal to 0 is it is 1 0 0 minus 19. 0, 1, 0, 10. 0, 0, 1 minus 2. 0, 0, 0, 0 into x1, x2, x3, x4 is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. So multiply these two matrices. x1 minus 19 x4, x2 plus 10 x4, x3 minus 2 x4, 0. This is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. So x1 minus 19 x4 is equal to 0. x2 plus 10 x4 is equal to 0. x3 minus 2x4 is equal to 0. Now here n minus r is equal to 4 minus 3 equal to 1. So choose n minus r parameters arbitrarily. If r less than n, choose n minus r parameters arbitrarily. Here n minus r is 1. So choose one parameter or one unknown arbitrarily. So put x4 is equal to t. T is any real number. Then x1 is, so we have chosen one unknown arbitrarily. x1 is equal to x1 minus 19 x4 is x1 is 19 x4. It is 19t. x2 is minus 10 x4. Minus 10 x4. It is minus 10t. x3 is equal to 2x4, 2t. So solution of this given homogeneous system is x1 is equal to 19t, x2 is equal to minus 10t, x3 is equal to 2t, x4 is equal to t. T is arbitrary. T is any real number, so we get an infinite number of solutions. If t is equal to 0, this is no trivial solution. If t is not equal to 0, this is non-trivial solution. So this is solution of the given homogeneous system of linear equations where t is any real number.